Welcome to Training Aid Australia video tutorials. This video tutorial is a demonstration on how to make a WHS poster. That's Work Health Safety Representative Poster. This is one of the assessment tasks for our students who are completing the Certificate 4 in Work Health Safety. We have designed this video so that students have support in how to develop a poster. It will be available on our YouTube channel. What we're going to do is create a poster so that in the workplace staff know who to contact for any WHS related issues. What we need to do prior to developing the poster is have any images of staff who will be on the poster and any other information like company logos or details, images that need to be inserted. We've already completed one example and we'll just have a look at that now so that you can see what the end result is going to be. And then we'll go from scratch and start from a basic Microsoft Word document and work all the way through to putting this into a PDF. This demonstration or this example is just a very basic example, and it could be developed more where the profiles of the WHS representatives are quite detailed. There might be contact details, phone numbers, email addresses and so forth. A full bio on each of the representatives, where they're located within the organisation. So there's a lot more that could be done, but as an example, this will suffice. To get the ball rolling, we'll launch a Microsoft Word document, and knowing what I'm working from, I know that I want to put this on a company letterhead, or if you need to create a company letterhead from scratch, then that's quite easy as well. We can double click in this area up the top, which is known as the header, and that will immediately open the tab up here for design and all the header settings. I need to go and get the logo that I want to use for my header or my company logo. Copy, going back to the document and pasting. Any formatting that needs to be done can be completed within this tab, like raising this up a little bit higher, maximizing the space on my page, centering. I might have to go back to the home tab and just center this in the middle. And while the header box is open and editable, I can scroll down and look at the footer area and then add any additional information for the footer, like the company address or company APN, contact numbers, anything like that. Again, formatting as required. I might even look to bring my footer all the way down by going to the design tab again. Go 0.5 and I'll scroll down or zoom out just so I can see the whole layout, and that'll be fine. And I will shortcut this a little bit to save on time, and to do that I'll just go and grab some of the text that I've already completed for this representative poster. Just copying the text, and I'll bring this over and paste it into my document just so that this video doesn't go on for too long. Formatting everything so that it looks exactly as we want it to, and get the rest of my content. Just copying and pasting each one as I go. I'll tidy it all up in just a second after I've got all the content pasted into my Word doc. So I can select all, make sure that it's the right font, center, any headings, increase the size, make it bold and so that it stands out, space everything else out appropriately. And now we're ready to insert some images of our representatives. These are the images that I've taken earlier and imported. I cropped them and rotated them so that they're ready to be inserted. I'll open each image individually, copy them, and then paste them into the document. And what happens is they normally paste it as a full size image. As you can see, it's huge, and we would want to bring this down to a size that will fit on the one document. That's 5 centimeters. That looks like it'll work for us. I'll then edit the text wrapping and make it tight so that the text starts on the top right hand side of the page. Bring the text lines down and we're ready to start on the next person's image. We'll get that from our folder. Again, right click copy and we'll paste that. Again, double click on the image. This will open the format tab so that I can reduce the sizing, change the text formatting, bring the next line all the way down, and last image to be inserted. Go back to our document, pasting the image in, and last one to edit. Text wrapping tight. It's in the wrong place, so I'll just drag it back down to where it belongs. And it looks like our poster is completed. Before we completely wrap this up, what we want to do is make sure that we save it as a Word doc. That way we can always use it in the future. I'll just save this onto the desktop. And to turn it into a poster that we can distribute to the employees, staff and managers, we can save it as a PDF onto our desktop. And then the PDF is not editable, but the Word document, if we ever need to go back and update this poster, then we've got an original to work from and we don't have to create it from scratch. So that's our WHS Representative Poster. That's what our students are expected to submit for their Certificate 4 in Work Health Safety. We hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial and we look forward to producing more educational videos for you in the near future.